Hi there. This is to help those of you who are getting errors when they try to download a document or PDF. So first what you need to do is you need to find that PDF or document that you want to download. So say for example it is the newsletter from before we went to this intermittent break. This newsletter just so happens to download. While some of you get errors saying that it cannot be downloaded or whatever it may be. But to solve this error, what you need to do is in the top right hand corner, there's a box with an arrow in it. If you click on that box, you get a drop down menu. And in that drop down menu, you see different apps that the newsletter can be downloaded into. So for example, AirDrop, Mail, Notes, Book Reader. If you continue to scroll through, you see Books. It's the orange app with the white book in it. It says Copy to Books. If you click on that app, it will automatically take you to the book app and download the PDF or the document that you want to view. So if you're getting that error, try this and see if it works. If it doesn't, then by all means, please reach out to me using ClassDojo or Schoology, and I'll be more than happy to assist. Till next time.